Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to find your wallet address on Bybit. So first, what you want to do is make sure that you're logged in or signed up and verified on Bybit. And then once you're done with all of that, what you want to do now is just go to the deposit button right here and then choose what crypto or what cryptocurrency wallet that you want to copy. So for example, I will use Bitcoin. You can also use Ethereum if you want. And then once you've chosen Bitcoin, what you want to do is click on acknowledge right here, and then you will find your Bitcoin address or wallet right here. And if you want to find your Ethereum wallet address, just click on choose coin deposit and just choose Ethereum, select chain, and then just click on acknowledge again, and then you will see your Ethereum address or wallet address right here. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to find your wallet address on Bybit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.